Well, hello guys, welcome to a brand new video. I'm at Preston, as you can see. Beautiful layout as always. Trying to keep in the shade as best as I can. Well, I wasn't expecting this 68007 on a network rail aggregates with the livery of 30 years of DRS. It's hot. Literally so hot. I'm literally baking. I'm literally baking in the sun. So Preston, not been here for time, you know. It's been ages, man. But I'm here, doing what I love doing. And yeah, Preston.
Platform 3 for the 10:33 Northern service to Barrow-in-Furness. Calling at Lancaster, Carnforth.
So incoming now is 195114 off to Barrow-in-Furness from Manchester Airport.
Ulverston, Dalton, Bruce and Barrow-in-Furness. This train is formed of 3 coaches.
And it's rammed. So no surprise there, Northern. No surprise there. Absolutely magnificent running of services. So in today's video at Preston, you'll be seeing services by the Northern, Transpennine, Freight obviously for this, Avanti West Coast as well, and with some more luck, some more freight. But can't go wrong, can we, with a bit of Preston. Off going now to what looks to me like Manchester Airport is 195111. Could be wrong, I think do you know what, it might be going to York, I'm not sure. I'll have to double check on that. It's either York or Manchester Airport, I'm not too sure. I'm leaning towards Manchester Airport, but I think the sign said York, so I'll stick with the sign, I'll go York. So, here at Preston, let's see what she'll have in the bar. Hope you enjoy. So, off going now is 800 of some sort from TPE. 802218 off to Manchester Airport. Next stop is Bolton, which is dropping off passengers. So it's a drop off only at Bolton, which I don't get because
passengers boarding this service, please be advised the train is in reverse formation today. First class carriages located at the
so leaving us now is 331. 331112, and incoming now is 39013 off to Edinburgh, I think. Blackpool Bella or whatever you want to say. Off to either Edinburgh or Glasgow. I think it's Edinburgh.
And London Euston. This train is
So here we go. There goes 68007, 30 years of DRS. Incoming now is 802213 Pride livery
for the North Lakes, Carlisle,
to
Lockney,
Edinburgh.
Haymarket and Edinburgh. This train is formed of 5
Oh,
coaches.
it's the Unity from Manchester Airport. Only picks up from Bolton, not drop off as well. So yeah, we've got a 390 on platform number 2, and we've got a Edinburgh to from Preston, I think, on platform 1. But yeah, let's see what's next. Okay then, so coming out now from platform number 2 is 390 039 off to London Euston. Oh yes, when they go over the points, they sound amazing. So arriving now from Colne, I think. Yep, Colne to Preston is 150-124. Ready to depart now will be a northern service to Ormskirk. The departure time will be 11:08, I think, give or take. 150-124 is on the northern service. But as we go on to platform number 4, which I got confused, I've not been here for so many reasons, for years. 195 I was coming from Barrow Furnace to Manchester Airport, I think, or Oxon or Lake District, either one of them. I can't be bothered checking because, I'm waiting for another freight movement. But yeah, here we go. We've got a green light. Yes, we do. So should be any minute now.
Passengers at the south end of platform 4, please remain behind the yellow safety line. Passengers at the south end of platform number 4, please remain behind the yellow safety line.
Well, it's not. Well, it's not departing any minute. Any second. Oh wait. Yep, we are. We're departing. Well.
For your own safety, you are reminded to stand behind the yellow line.
Finally. Absolutely outrageous. Finally it's departed. 2 Carlin and Ormskirk. No thanks. Oh well. It is what it is. At least they're running the service, I guess. Outgoing now is a northern service bound for Manchester Airport. It's 195117. .39042 is coming into platform number 4 with the Avanti West Coast service to London Euston. Getting ready to depart now is a Avanti West Coast service to London Euston. Next stop is Wigan. 39042. To be honest, it's not even that packed. So, don't really mind. Yes, we do. Outgoing now is 1951 Summit off to Barron Furnace from Manchester Airport. Incoming now on platform number 6 as it's not scheduled to stop at this station. Oh wait. Is a Network Rail engineering train. I think it's the newest fleet. You know what? I think it's the newest fleet. DR 79105. And DR 79104 on the rear with DR 79103 and DR 79102 on the rear of that one. This is going from Carlisle Yard to Doncaster Decoy, I think. Singer, or whatever you want to pronounce that. Here we go. Okay then, so getting ready to depart will be a Lumo West Coast service to London Euston. Oh, it might be a
West Coast service to Edinburgh, platform 3 for Lancaster, Oxford, Carlisle, Haymarket and Edinburgh.
oh, it could be a test.
The Edinburgh service, please be advised, the train is in reverse formation today. First class carriages at the front of the train.
Oh wait, no, it's not. Is it? I think it's in service. This. Well, it's anyway. It's Lumo West Coast service to London Euston. So.
Service to Edinburgh, which today is in reverse formation.
Here we go.
The next train to arrive at platform 3 will be the
222 601. And it's in service as well. Oh, what a livery. What a livery. What a livery. What a livery.
standard can be found at the rear.
Arriving in now on platform number 4 at Preston. It's 39132. A Avanti West Coast service to London Euston. Next station stop is Wigan North Western. So just to clarify on the 79 units from Network Rail, they are doing a Network Rail movement from Carlisle Upper Bay CE sidings to Rugby DED, and the head code on that is 6 Quebec 01. So given the circumstances today, we've seen quite a few movements here at Preston. I'm hoping to get another freight before I go home. However, there's not one till £2 so that is a Hamzol GBRF to Moss End Euro Terminal GBRF. So that's expected to pass Preston at 14:08. I don't know whether it's running. Yep. Just to clarify, it is running 4 minutes late. and it's stuck at Rickerscote near Stafford, so I might get that at Wigan actually. So getting ready to depart will be 39132 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston via Wigan North Western, Warrington Bank Key, and then hopefully straight to London Euston without any points failures in a way. Oh, it's so what? It's really bad today. Thought yesterday was bad. Oh. We're just waiting for the green light to come on. But I believe it might be running. Oh, there we go. It's turning to yellow, so hopefully it should be departing any minute now. There you go, it's on green. Come on, you. Let's go. You got a London service tune now. Fun fact. Oh, here we go. Fun fact. These are the old signals, whereas over there are the brand new ones. I'll get that Northern service in a minute. But I'm waiting for this Avanti West Coast to London Euston for its departure. This is going to be a long film, this one, I must admit. Oh well. Here we go. Off going now is 39132, a Avanti West Coast service to London Euston. The next station stop after Preston is Wigan, and then after that it's Warrington Bank Key. When I say Wigan, I mean not Wigan North Western, not Wigan Walgate, just to clarify a few things. City of Birmingham. So I didn't film this coming in because I was sitting down talking to the member of staff who is literally driving the train right now. Platform number 4 is your Glasgow to London Avanti West Coast service, formed by 391-141. Getting ready to depart is 391-41 with Avanti West Coast from Glasgow Central to London Euston. See you later. Nice way from the driver, thank you very much, and the chief in command. So as that flies off to Wigan North Western, I shall leave the morning session here. I will continue doing part 2 of Preston in about 10-15 minutes or so. As a morning session, it's been decent, with a bit of a freight movement from here and there, but yeah, time for part 2 of Wigan North Western. What can I say? Preston has been absolutely fantastic. I might do part 2 at Wigan, or I might do part 2 here at Preston. I'm not too sure yet. But yeah, I might as well do part 2 at Preston for the afternoon freight, and then get home, getting cold shower. So from here at Preston with part 1, I shall leave it there. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you in part 2. Hello guys, welcome back to the latest video. This is part 2 at Preston. Arriving in now is the northern service to Manchester Airport, from Blackpool North, formed by 331. Arriving in, give or take, about 2 minutes ago, is a northern service from somewhere in a northern part of, you know, which is 150, 145. I'm not too sure where that is going. I know that 331 unit is from Blackpool North to Manchester Airport via Bolton. So the next station stop, I believe it's Buckshaw Parkway, Buxton, Horwich Parkway, Bolton, Salford Crescent, Deansgate, give or take, Manchester Oxford Road, Manchester Piccadilly, and then I'm presuming Heel Green, which might be the case, and then up to Manchester Airport. So part 1 was decent. Incoming now is a TPE service from Manchester Airport to Glasgow Central. Formed by 395. Oh, sorry, 397. 397-003, and then hopefully we'll get the 331 unit off to Manchester Airport. Outgoing now is 331 029 off to Manchester Airport. Nice way from the driver. Cheers mate. And then on the rear is 018. I think the next station stop is Leyland out of Preston. And then waiting for the go-ahead to come into platform res is the Hamzall GBRF to what's it called? Oh man, I'm struggling for the destination. I know it's a Hamzall service and it's a 6 to 6 shed. So when it comes in, I will get it. Outgoing now is the northern service to Colne, formed by 15141. Sorry, 150, 145. Off to Cole. Incoming now is the Liverpool Lime Street service from Blackpool North. Formed by a 331. I will get the numbers on the departure for you. So out goes 331 103 to Liverpool Lime Street. 102 to Liverpool Lime Street. And then there is another Northern service to Blackpool North, formed by 331 107. I believe something's going wrong on the or just past platform number 3 northbound, because the TPE that departed here has come to a stop. So I don't know what's going on with that. So there, 331 107 has come to a stop on platform number 1 for the Blackpool North service. Incoming now is, well, departing platform number 2 is 195 118 off to York. Incoming now is 390 046 off to Glasgow Central. I don't think we'll be seeing any freight today due to issues with the signalling system, but I could be wrong. Passing us now is a GBRF 66 going from Hamzall GBRF.
Stop here. Please stand well clear of the edge of platform 3.
Six 308. Signalman Willie Taylor to Moss End Euro Terminal. Now departing is GBRF 66307 bound for Moss End GBRF from Hamzall. This is departing platform 3 after driver swap. To be fair, I thought it was actually coming straight through, but no, I was wrong. Passing us now is a Daventry to Moss End 66430. So that was 66,430 on a DRS run from Daventry to Moss End with and 150 off to more Ormskirk or whatever you want to call it. So yes, we'll see that departure and then that'll be our last train of the day. So our final train of the afternoon session here at Preston will be a 150-134 service to Colne. Well, a northern service to Colne with the unit being 150-134. As that goes off, I want to say a massive thank you for tuning in the video and also thank you for the support. So yeah, Preston, a bit of both. Morning rush hour. I wouldn't say rush hour, but yeah. I would like to call it rush hour because of everything being hectic and the afternoon being chilled out. Sun was too hot for me today yet again, but I managed to stay in shade. My next film will be Moses Gate or Farnworth again. I've not done Moses Gate, but I did Farnworth. That'll be up sooner or later. But yeah, as for Preston, it's been a decent session today. From morning afternoon, today afternoon, sorry. Yeah, not much I really want to tell you, to be honest, apart from have a pleasant day, stay safe, don't get sunstroke or heat stroke, drink plenty of water, and yeah, once again thank you for tuning in. I will see you in my next Trains That episode. I shall see you soon. Cheers, take care, bye.